Hello, welcome to YouTube and the Justin Fair channel. Um, as you've come from eBay, this is the item you should be looking at. It's a 940 New Holland baler uh, with some extras done to it. Swinging drawbar, so it can be used on field or on the road use. I've added a guiding stake for guiding the rope. There's one also on the bale sledge as well. The bale sledge has been painted red, a matte red with a catch added onto it. Just a standard one made into a one that works. The tailgate has been changed and altered a little bit as well. Now you can see it working. Here we go. All you carpet farmers, as you can see the bells come out. The lighting, it's not very good in this place. You can believe it, I've got about 6 or 7 lights going here and you still can't see it properly. Anyway, there we go, the bells are coming out. On the 4th bell I'll eject the bell out of the bell sledge. Please make sure you're using flat carpet as well. There we go, there's the 3rd bell. The 4th bell is going to come out on the corner. There we go, and as I press the rope, clink, there we go, lovely job. There is a bit of a knack to the getting the tailboard to shut. You've got to hold the rope down a bit longer, but it seems to work okay. Now the next 4 bells. Sorry about the shot of the carpet there. This is hard work trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera and the baler at the same time. The next bell is going to come out in a minute. There we go. That's 3. Now you want 4. And the carpet's a bit up and downy too here. I'm going to run out of carpet, I reckon. There you go. Bell's not quite coming out yet. Now I can run a tight curve and press the handle, and there we go, pre-pressed. And there we are. And that's how it works. So it's only the baler and the bell sledge that's actually for sale. I'll sell both of them together. And hope to do some more conversions like this in the future. Anyway, it's bye from Justin Fair 1 channel on YouTube. Catch you later and happy bidding.